Hi there, I'm playing around with paste rain papers today, and I have a piece of this plastic stretchy nylon that some of your veggies come in, and I'm simply going to lay this over my card. I've got 160-gram card here, and I'm putting paint onto a little bit of a sponge roller, but I'm also rolling some of it off on this brush that I've been using, just so that I don't have too much paint. And I'm just starting from the center and rolling the paint through the mesh towards the outside edge. I'm not too concerned if it slips a little bit. I'm not too concerned if there are thick marks and thin marks. It's really more about just creating an interesting background. Well, I like this dark bit at the end here. Maybe we'll just do a bit more there. And you could roll this way as well if you like. But this is just a very simple idea that's created almost, I suppose, in a way, a bit like a snakeskin pattern. And I'm sure if this was done with browns and yellows or ochres, it would be rather fun. So look at my video on how to mix up your wallpaper paste so that you can create these paints, and check out my playlist. There are lots of different ideas on how to decorate paper. Bye for now.